to my channel. My name is Pritika and in today's video I'll be unboxing the February GlamEgo Box. Here it is and I completely love the packaging this time. Even the box, it has so many alphabets in it and we have to make words out of it, what we used to do back then in school. And I found it really interesting and it was freaking awesome to see this.
And as I couldn't stop myself, I started to find words and it was like hardly I could make 2 or 3 words and then I realized, oh my god, this is all about last names or surnames. We have Singh, Sharma, Kumar, Padukone and so many surnames out there.
So that was really interesting to see such a cool and amazing packaging. And yeah, I talked a lot about the packaging. Let's move forward to unbox this box and see what are products we have for this month. So the first product which I have is from the brand Chronocare. It's a pollution stop face and it's cost for rupees 495. Here's the product. It's a small bottle which has this spray thing in it.
Spray lightly over the face before or daily cream or on the top of it. Apply on clean and dry skin massage. Repeat during the day if required in that case. And first clean the skin with our face toner in order to remove the dirt accumulated above the pollution stop screen.
So this is a solution which we have to spray before applying makeup so that it protects your skin from pollution and all. So that seems really interesting and really promising product. I really want to see how this product is. Let me just open it up and spray a bit. Just
show you guys how it is or how the formula is. So yeah.
Spray a bit on my hands only. It has a very refreshing smell and it feels like rose water only. So I have to use this on my face to actually see how it works or how the product is actually. So the next product which I have is also from Chronocare. It's a polish face scrub and this one retails for rupees 460. Here's the product.
I'm looking forward to use this one as well because it says that polish the blemish face scrub and it's for all skin type, which is the best one. It's a great thing and I'll definitely looking forward to see how this product is.
Okay, it's like this white cream format. So let me just test a little bit on my hands. Okay, it has minute particles in it which will help in face polishing. I got the basic. Yeah, it feels really nice. It's just like a normal scrub, but the particles are really minute. So yeah, I'll definitely use this and see whether it polishes my skin or not. Jokes apart. Let's move forward to the next product. The next product I have is from the Nature's Co. and it's a radiance face cream and it's in the variant saffron. I have this same product in some other variant which I have received earlier and this costs for rupees 550. Yeah, the price is mentioned in this. Yeah, it is for rupees 550. Moisturize your skin within seconds. It has that thing in it. I loved it. I loved it. Anyway, the fourth product, right? Yeah, the fourth product which I have with me is by Naturals and it's a green tea lip scrub. I am using this product currently. I have got this product earlier as well, and believe me, this is
really good product, really good. Because it tastes like sugar. It has that sugar thing in it. When you put it on your lips, it feels you feel like picking it up. It smells really good, and I completely love this one.
forward to the fifth and the last product, and my favorite product, which is a body mist. Yay! It's from Natural Bath and Body, and this one is 4 rupees. It's not mentioned. Let me tell you, I prepared myself up before shooting this video because I have already finished one of this particular mist, and it's super amazing, super good. I had the green variant, and this time I ordered the Wild Wonder, which was in this pink color. So I just cannot wait to see how it smells. This is so refreshing. This is so freaking good. I love this product.
So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, because your love and support means the world to me. Please do subscribe and like and comment and share this video with your friends and loved ones.
If you want to follow me on social platform, I will link my username and ID below so that you can go ahead and follow me there. So till then, take care. Bye bye. See you on my next video.